What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Right here is a 2013 Ford F-350. 2013. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel, how to take out this glass, how to take out this handle. Let's get it. There's 2 screws on there, guys. 2 of them. Number 7. Right there. There's 2 screws. Yes, there's 2 of them. Another one right there. Alright, you can use your clear puller, your flathead screwdriver, stuck it in the groove, open it up. So that, guys, put it up, okay? Don't pull it, put it up. Unplug this one, or you could do this. Go ahead, take this off and unplug it from there. It's up to you. But the reason why you pull this thing up, because those 2 right there, it sits down at the bottom. You don't want to break those, okay? Rest that right there. Now, let's get this plastic piece off of there. Now we're going to bring the window down. Alright, guys, we're going to connect this piece back. We're going to drop this right there. Now see those 2 screws? Those are number 10. Take those screws out. Alright, we're going to take those 2 screws out. We're going to take it from off the safety and drop it. So go ahead, drop it all the way down. All the way down. Then you see that screw right there? Loosen that screw. And that one, it's 2 of them. Take that screw out. Do the same on that side. Okay, once you guys take those 2 bolts off, take the glass from off the track, okay? And then you're gonna pull out the run channel out. This piece, take this piece out along with the rubber, okay? Rest that right there. And now, go ahead and take out the glass. You've got to take this piece out. That's how you do that. Y'all see that groove right there? Make sure the glass is right between that groove and start it out. Have to be between that groove after you take out this piece. Okay? That's how you do that. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the handle. Okay guys, this is how you take out this handle. Let me show you guys. Y'all see this plug right here? Take that plug out of there. Move that plug from there. Guys, see that screw right there? That's one of them. That is the 10 or 11. Take that screw out. The other one's right here. It's right here. You see it? The other one is right there. You're gonna take that screw out as well. And the next thing the guys are gonna do, you guys see that green clip there? That green clip, you're gonna hold it. You guys see that green clip? Move this piece out your way. Let's set this piece back. Set this piece back some. You're gonna use a marker to mark it. You guys see over here? Mark it. You're gonna put, when you guys put that piece back, you're gonna put it back right at the mark. If not, the door will not open on you properly. Now, how do you loose that? You're gonna put your clip tool right here and pull this out towards you. Pull it out towards you. In here, put it out towards you. Now the here, all the back. Yeah, here. This side. You're gonna put it out towards you. Can't reach it. Hold on. Yeah, okay, there you go. You're gonna put your hand in the back over here. Your hand or a tool, and you're gonna pry this piece open. Guys, see this piece right here? You're gonna pry this piece open. And that come loose. You see where it's marked at? You're gonna put it back right at the mark and close it back when you go to put the car back together. Now that's loose, go ahead and take out those two screws, which is that one and that one out there, and then the handle comes out. That's how you do that. That's 11. See? Comes right out. You guys see where I mark it at? Make sure when you put that back inside the clip thing, do not go above this. Close it right back there. That's how you do that, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's get it.